Welcome to my channel. I am Susie by name. So welcome to Susie Global Concept YouTube channel. Today, in today's video, I will take you all around to see different pots, traditional medicine that we have, local sponge, a lot of things, a lot of traditional medicine, both for fertility, for treatment of typhoid, malaria. You can see this locally made pot made from clay. Okay, made from clay. You can see these are herbs. You can see different designs of pot, different ones. You can also use it to cook native food, and these are naturally made cream, lotion for treatment of different disease and infections. Yes, this is locally made shea butter for treatment as well. Mommy, this one is for what?
Local sponge.
Okay, this is local sponge for bathing, so you can see for pimples, any skin infection, you know but for treatment of malaria, typhoid, pie, for fertility, if you want to get pregnant. So easy. So different tribes and tradition in Nigeria all have their native drugs, native medicine. So this very particular place where I am is a Yoruba shop. So this is an Yoruba traditional medicine. Yes, and they are very, very effective. Very, very effective. Very, very effective. Yes, and they know the dosage to administer. So all you need to do, just follow their prescription. Not all anyway, not all. So you have to meet an experienced one. Yes, you have to meet an experienced one, just like the way we take the other normal drugs from pharmacy, from hospital. You have to meet an experienced doctor. Yes. So you can see African culture, we have a very rich tradition and medicine that can cure any ailments, chronic, even any chronic ailments. Yes, even though we know that God is the healer, but God has given us all that we need for our own well-being. Plants and herbs for treatment. So let me know what you feel about this video from the comment section. Okay, let me know what you feel about this video from the comment section. So even to get fair, okay, fairness, to clear spots, aging cream, naturally made. Okay, even soap. These are local soap for different purpose, for different use, okay, for different purpose. See, this one is for rashes, rashes, for rashes. Yeah, for rashes. So, you can see shea butter. These are for children. Cocoa light oil. Yes, different types. Also powder for children. Powder for treatment of rashes, any skin infection at all. So in those early days, we use this pot to fetch water at the stream or from the well. Yes, we use it to store water, just for merely water, to store water. Yes, and drinking water from pot is very cool, like from refrigerator. Very cool. And we also use the smaller pots for cooking. Yes. So today we are still preserving our tradition. Preserving our tradition, even though it's no more rampant like before. Okay, the world is changing, things are getting modified. Yes. So even when you are serving a visitor food, we use these local pots, even the small ones, to serve visitors food. Yes. And this is locally made calabash too. You watch one of my video, if you have been following me, when I was drinking food, I was eating food from one calabash. It was this type of calabash, but that one, they design it. It has designs. Okay, so this one, there's no design on it. No design. This is direct. Okay, different sizes. The elderly ones who use it, to the small ones to drink local drink like palm wine, Yes. It's any of the place where they are selling all these local herbs, they'll be able to tell you what the problem is, and they'll be able to tell you the quantity of drugs to take. They'll administer drugs to you, and they'll tell you the quantity to take. Very effective. Very effective. Very effective. Okay, so don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Okay, yes, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel to support.